Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Welcome to homemade cooking underscore shady. Today, what are we cooking today? We are cooking jollof rice and we are using basmati rice. Yes, first things first, we are going to do the jollof base sauce. And the jollof base sauce, we have mixture of pepper, we have onions, we have ginger, spring onions, curry leaf, and the spices, different spices. We have the oregano, we have coney, we have basil, we have parsley, coriander, and thyme. Yes, we have everything together, and turmeric as well. So I'm going to state thoroughly as I'm doing right now. Please guys, if you're just joining my page, please comment and subscribe. Yes, so we are going to cover it to allow it to cook for some minutes before we blend it together. Yes, please guys, your subscription, your comments actually keep me going. As you can see, our base sauce is almost ready for blending. Yes, for blending. I love jollof rice, and most especially when I use basmati rice. So you're going to put it in the blender cup and blend it. Then we proceed. After blending it, we proceed to our cooking. I love jollof rice, most especially using the basmati rice. You can use the long grain as well, anyone you just choose to like, but the basmati actually have a different taste compared to the ordinary one. So I'm using vegetable oil, a bit of onions, bay leaf. We allow it to fry, put a paste, tomato paste, and allow the taste to change. Yes, and now we are going to add our mixed pepper. Yes, we are also going to have, before that we are going to add our nutmeg. Yes, nutmeg. I love nutmeg. It has this nice smells and taste, actually tastes so good. So I'm adding our jollof base sauce. We're stirring, then we had our rice, our basmati rice. We already washed it and adding our Maggi and salt. We put our stock. I'm going to use stock on it as well. So this is turkey's stock. So we are going to cover it and allow it to cook for some minutes. Yes, so you can have this jollof rice in the morning, afternoon, or evening, even for parties, for family gathering, for birthday. Yes, who doesn't know jollof rice is one of the most popular dish in Nigeria, or even I would say in Africa. Yes. So our jollof rice is almost ready. Yes, it is almost ready. I love it. Smells so good. Yeah, thank you guys for staying tuned. Bye.